Hello vlog. Jessica doesn't want me to vlog in public.
No,
And act like twice.
I need to
There's a million.
There's just
I forgot my camera. So upsettingly. But we're in the we're in the Big Apple once again.
What is even going on? I haven't been able to hear a thing.
We're in the Big Apple.
My hair is all busted up.
Hello vlog, we're outside.
Hi vlog. Oh my god. It's really bad. It's okay. Hi vlog.
Is that new?
New sunglasses.
It's from the new job. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Too bad we wear glasses and you know.
We can't. Arr. Who's that? Does you know?
Weird.
Who's that?
Fake fan. I'm calling it fake fan.
I don't know what team I'm in.
Just blue. Team blue.
Go Team Blue. Actually,
Go Bluebirds.
no Bluebirds.
Niche reference, guys.
So niche. Okay, we're walking.
Hopefully
It'll
have it on there.
We are in your butt now.
what? We're getting on
The subway.
We're waiting for the L.
Loser.
Take the out.
Take the L. Yeah.
Sweating already.
Loser. Lame-o wanted.
Wait, so do we want, okay, hear me out. Do we want coffee? I know you want your bagel. Do we want like coffee / chai or do we want boba?
You guys, I just need a water.
What, post and pre-birthday drinks?
True, we could get coffee and / chai and then go get boba after.
Yes, the sweet treats.
Go to K-Town, please, please.
Wanna go?
Yes.
Why don't we? Then we don't have to go to all the thrift stores, but when we're thrifted out, we can subway to K-Town, and then by then we'll be in the
What?
It's just wet me.
Wait, where? I have makeup wipes. Oh, I see. I just have makeup wipes. And hand sanitizer. Oh.
Anywho.
Yeah. We'll check back in later. Subway, like. You seen those videos? You poser for the subway. We're in We're in Brooklyn now.
Manhattan.
I think she I forgot where she lives. Sorry, I don't know if you're not watching this. I texted her once and then like I forgot. She lives here somewhere. No, I texted her one day. Like, where do you live in the city? And I wouldn't remember. But yeah, we're in Brooklyn now. We're gonna get bagel,
Coffee, chai, whatever.
yeah, and then we're going to Kmart.
Oh, I didn't realize the vlog was on. I'm cooking.
I've been talking it on. Wait, let's check the UV. Hello vlog. I got the pick. Brick wall pick. I got the
I can get my camera.
I got the iced chai with pumpkin spice and oat milk. What did you get?
Nice bagel, cream cheese, toasted.
Look how thick that is.
Look at this cream cheese.
I don't know if they can see.
So you can see it's a lot of cream cheese, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. Uh-oh. One second. I got a cold brew with pumpkin spice syrup and almond milk and a sun-dried tomato bagel, just plain and untoasted.
Wow. Anyways, we're gone now. That's our update. Hello vlog. We are in a thrift store right now. potential vlog your first name.
I vlog.
Your dress.
This is not what. Potential. I like.
Amelia went somewhere. She's over yonder, but you guys will be left alone. Bye. I got this thing. Low key, I might get it. And I just get rid of this chain because it looks a little bad. But low key, I might get it. Bye.
It's like a swing dress. Oh. It's supposed to be a top. I don't know, but I was just like, I can't tell.
I don't know if I got cut off, but I'm gonna remove that chain. I might remove the chain off of it. And I'll wear it like I tie. Hello vlog, we're in a new thrift store. Look how cute this is. Loki is actually not that bad. If you dress grandma enough, you can make it pull off somebody. Oh.
I feel like it's like, you know, my sorority.
Guess what she does?
Hashtag go Dollar.
Go Bluebirds! Did you show Amelia? Bluebirds.
Maybe. What size is it? It's a medium. We'll see. Maybe I'll try it on. I could crop it.
I mean, it's cheaper than the college store.
Oh, it's cheaper than what it's 6 or 6.21. Oh, it's so much cheaper than I could fully crop it or something. Yeah.
Exactly. For the Italians out there, Dominic.
The Italian Christmas donkey.
Dominic. I'll ask my dad about him. See if he knows the guy.
Who are you gonna ask?
My dad, if he knows Dominic the donkey. R.I.T.
I saw Syracuse over there. Should I get this?
So bilingual of you. See, if I do that, it will be a little more whitish.
White, sweet.
Oh my, soy Dora. I don't got the accents.
No, I was making a joke.
Well, I grew up on her and she didn't teach me Spanish, so maybe it's her problem right now. Maybe it's her fault I don't know Spanish.
It is her fault. She was the only one who said
F you. Unless you want cheerlead.
yeah, it's just red.
Wait, what is this for? She's painting the fabric.
That sounds like you're barking. It's a har.
Look what she does.
For $15, or no, right? I think. It's worth it.
Really mess. It's killing me and I.
It has like that stretchy like thing at the bottom, so like it sits.
Yeah.
I think there's just this tiny thing. But like I actually can't.
Oh no.
I don't know the words. I feel like even this is a little though. I call that a win.
Yeah. Hello vlog, we're in another store now. This is what I got so far. Try on later. This is what Jessica got so far.
This is
got a lot.
good set.
We're mainly trying on than buying. But
Honestly, I'm gonna go try on so I can come back and get more stuff.
exactly, that's how it goes.
Oh,
Look how cute. How much is it?
16? Oh, 19.
Oh. Is it yellow tag?
Yeah.
Ooh, what you're showing me?
Mommy?
Mommy, see that?
No.
Oh my god.
This just reminded me, yesterday one of my kids, Joe, kept calling me mom. He was like, no, he wasn't like, he was like, Mommy. I'm like, stop calling me your mom. I'm not your mother. Just me. You were hired because of your personality.
Ew.
Wow.
shop actually. I think it's so zoomed in all the time.
The video.
Okay, let me forward. Wow. Abby Lee lookalike contest. Wow. So we're going up to. Oh. Subway fan. Subway fan. Wow.
What's the next one?
What?
Oh.
Oh.
It says in 4 nights.
Oh.
That's what we need. I did get this jacket.
Wow.
Excessive. Okay. Eat my book.
So cute. Wow.
Oh, now I'm gonna mess up all the food. Jesus Christ. Just gonna get them. So it comes with it. And then I think. Where's the bottom? This is my crew neck.
Oh, I was not paying attention. Too busy vlogging. Wow.
Did you get 3 sweaters or 2?
Well, like, if you want to differentiate, it's a crew neck, a hoodie, and a zip up.
Oh yeah.
Exactly.
Got this tank top.
What?
Little stripes. This is the back.
Stripes are in.
Stripes are back. I got this t-shirt. Go Bluebirds!
Go Bluebirds! Well, I don't care about the blue hands.
I'm gonna LARP as a Morgan Wallen.
LARPing alert.
To match my Zach
LARPing alert. Aesthetic picture now. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Hi vlog.
Whoops, my finger.
I got this.
Obviously, no, we're right here. Hello.
I'm taking out the shade.
That top, wow, wow.
No chain.
I got the skirts. I'm probably gonna get this in, or I'll carry it around.
Oh, wait, let me. Princess. That's what one of my campers calls us all the time. Leah. Hello, vlog. We're in H-Mart now.
What? Oh, birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Your cupcake, whatever.
I think there was a meme or something. Wait, I'm tempted to get something. I don't know. Well, there's like a lot. What? No, it would be green. That just looks like chocolate. You can tell the aesthetic of Dubai chocolate. Yeah.
Oh, orange chocolate. It's orange chocolate.
Or I don't want something sweet. I don't want something like chocolate-y, low-key. Hello vlog. We're in a ramen shop now. Shout out this place. She got her ramen egg, strawberry, and I taught her how to use it.
Hey vlog.
AI art of the vlog. Yeah, AI is taking over. But we'll see you later.
These chips are pretty good. The rose to both snack.
I give it a
You're real.
I give it a 0.5. I give it 9 out of 10.
Still very open. Let's finish off.
Thank you. I got Hey vlog, look what that's.
Like at that point, you're better off getting a pickup truck.
We also done eating. A vlog. I'm talking to vlog, buddy.
It's a little bit different.
What? Or something. I don't know. I forgot. Anyways, we're done eating.
I thought they said the hater
What? I'll give the food low key. I give the food like a 7.5 out of 10. I'm rating the food. What do you rate the food later?
I give it a 4 because of how fucking slow they were.
Well,
That chip pissed me off.
I'll give.
Oh, sorry, everybody ordered at the same time. That's how a restaurant works.
I give the food a 7. The service a 4.
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
bad.
Yeah.
The food, yeah. The food was pretty good, but like, Jesus Christ, like, my stomach is on fire.
My ramen was listed as spicy, and it was not spicy at all. So maybe I think I'm too white for that.